So here you go. There's part two. We have the door off, and then you have three wires. One for the little light down here, right? And this one is for the switch. And this one is for the little speaker in the door. And you can see we're also going to be replacing the door handle lock also. So the next thing to do is we've got this plastic on here. So I'm going to just take the plastic off. Start at one end. Just it's pretty sticky, but it's just held on with some butyl kind of tape stuff. And it's awful sticky. I'm sure it looks like it. Oh, I just ripped it. Oh well, no matter. Be a little more gentle than me. And since we want to get it back to where we can see the whole motor unit right here. And I believe I'm going to be replacing the whole motor unit. Right now, as it stands, the window is off track. That much is for sure. Oh, look at this. We got a speaker wire right here I didn't get. Yeah. Alright, so we've got a speaker wire right there that needs to be removed too before you take all this plastic. And you can see all this. This is kind of what you would call a vapor barrier kind of piece of junk right there. Yeah, so I probably don't need to take that one out. We got it back far enough here. And I'm going to stick it on itself for the moment. There you go. So I stuck it on myself. And we are down to the motor and the window. And looks to be that the motor is these three bolts. Looks like this whole big unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And got these small couple of wire clips that need to come out. And the motor itself is like $25. And this whole unit here I've seen aftermarket is about $80. I'm probably going to go with the whole aftermarket unit. The motor I know runs. I think it's either off track, and usually once they go off track once, it'll do it again quickly. Not always, but usually it'll do it again quickly. So there you go. There's the inside of a door. And as you saw before, I had to remove the screws, right? And the previous one, to get the panel off, wasn't too hard to get it stripped down to this. So we're going to replace the lock, because the lock's broken right there. And we're going to be replacing the whole unit.